What to expect when you have a dental implant varies from person to person because each person's treatment's individualized and really just depends on what type of treatment, how complex your treatment is. But our goal is to make it as seamless as it can be, but we have to take into account, does that mean as fast as we can? Are you going to have a tooth taken out and an immediate implant placed? Sometimes we'll do some extra bone grafting with that. Or is your bone structure good? You've been missing a tooth for a while, and we place just an implant by itself. So everybody's going to heal a little bit differently. An implant is a big investment, and it's scary to think about, a surgery procedure, especially in your mouth, something that's very personal. So an implant is definitely something that you want to be prepared for, and we do our best at our office to go through all of the steps, letting you know that we're planning your specific case as well as we possibly can, and also going over all the details with you so that you'll know what to expect. And so that's something that we take a lot of time with, talking with our patients and helping them be prepared for what to expect with their implant placement.